Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to view storage capacity in OneDrive on computer. So how to view storage capacity in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this setting menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the option menu. Now here you will enter the setting menu. Here there are lots of choices. Tap the Manage Storage menu. And a menu like this will appear. Now here it is displayed. The amount of storage capacity on my OneDrive application. And the amount used. This feature allows users to see the OneDrive storage capacity on their computer to monitor usage and remaining space available. So that's it, tutorial how to view storage capacity in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.